Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the launcher settings directly on your Realme phone. Long press a blank area of the home screen, then tap Home Settings. Once done, look for App Drawer or Drawer Settings. This is where the keyboard option lives. You don't need system settings yet. Make sure you're in the launcher's own menu. Realme's launcher shows drawer controls here. If you see multiple launcher options, pick the one that says Home Settings or Launcher Settings to continue to the next step. Now tap App Drawer to reveal drawer-specific options. Scroll until you find a toggle named Show Keyboard, Auto Open Keyboard, or similar. Turn that toggle off. That prevents the search keyboard from popping up when you open the app drawer. Once toggled, test by opening the app drawer. It should stay keyboard-free. If your launcher prompts to confirm or restart the launcher, accept it. This is the only built-in way in Realme's launcher to stop the keyboard from finish by opening the app drawer and verifying the keyboard no longer appears. If you still see the keyboard, make sure you changed the correct launcher settings, then reboot the phone to apply the change. If the Show Keyboard option is missing, update the Realme launcher via the Play Store or use a third-party launcher like Nova as a fallback. One troubleshooting tip: clear Home App Cache in Settings apps if toggles don't persist. This often fixes stale settings that refuse to save.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.